Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying iOS and Photos updates because tools change. Next, open the image and tap at it to expose the retouch options. Make a duplicate first, more than duplicate, so you preserve the original. Once done, scan the area around the unwanted object to note edges and background texture. This quick survey determines whether to use the Remove tool, clone, or third-party app. Now, tap the three-dot menu and choose Remove or Markup to begin precise editing. You'll apply the Remove tool first. Tap then Draw or tap the object. The system auto-masks and fills from surrounding pixels. If the result looks patchy, switch to a cloning or healing brush in apps like Pixelmator or Snapseed to sample nearby texture and repaint. Make small strokes and work outward from the object instead of filling the whole area at once. Once the initial pass is clean, zoom in to refine edges, smooth seams with feathering, and reduce opacity for natural blending. You finish by comparing the edited photo to the duplicate. Toggle visibility to ensure colors and lighting match. Save or export in high-res hike or JPEG and keep the duplicate as a safety copy. If you spot repeating patterns or visible artifacts, undo the last steps, try smaller clone samples, or use layered patching. Work in stages rather than one big pass. If automatic remove consistently fails, try manual content-aware cloning in a desktop app or recompose the crop.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.